Good day, class. Again, this is Mr. Faisal. I hope everyone's good. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the table tag in your HTML document. So let's start. I already have here my notepad and my empty web page. So let's create our table. So let's declare the table tag and make sure you close it at the last table. Okay, now as I use this table tag, the second thing that you need to know is the use of the tr tag. So when we use the tr tag, meaning to say this is the data that you put horizontally. So let's say tr tag. Okay. So I declare already one row for my table, and here I will use now my td as stands for table data. Let's say Sunday, and let's close it, and then let's save this first. File, save, and refresh. So it seems that it's just an ordinary text. So to have the table itself, let's call the attribute border equals, let's say, 1. So when we save this, file, save, refresh. Now I have here my border. You can adjust this as you like. Save. Okay. Now, like what I've said, TD is the data. So example, if you want more data for your row, just copy this. You can paste this. Paste. Okay. And then you can paste it again. So let's say Sunday, I have here Monday. And I have here Tuesday. So if you need more, just put some space there and enter this. It's better to align it so that it will be easy for us to see data accordingly. So if I have here Tuesday, I have here Wednesday, I have here Thursday, I have here Friday, and one more, and I have Saturday. Okay, now, so let's say save, refresh. So I have here now my days. So it seems that we're going to create now a calendar style. So I need my header on top of this. So what I'm going to do is put first another tr. So let me just put some space here. So this will be my first tr. Now you will see, because again tr serves as row. Now what will be my data? Like what I've said, I want header. So I will use th, stands for your table header. So this will be, for example, March. If I use this only one header, let's say I want you to observe fresh. So you will see that there are some spaces here because of these columns. So with this, we will use another properties or attribute of a border, and that is what you call the col span. This will span the width of more than one cell or column. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. So since I want to span this, I will put here col span equals 7. Save, refresh. Now, if you want to put a background color for your cell, for example, I want this to have a background color red, so I will call bg color equals red. Let's save this, refresh. use of the BG color, or stands as background color, to put some color style to your cell. So what if you want to put color to your whole table? All you have to do is put it here on your table, BG color equals yellow, and save. Refresh. Now let me add another row. So let me just put some space here so that you can easily see that I have 3 rows. So let me type now the rest of the TD. The first one, second. So what will be the content of my TD? Let's insert 1 here. Let me remove this here. 2, and the TD. 3. Like what I've said, I need 7, 4. Oops, check this. 5. And lastly, 7. Let's save this. Save. Okay. Oops. It's here. Okay, I'll save. Okay. Now you will see that the numbers in my cell is in the left corner. So if I want to make it at the center, I will call this row third row, and I will use align equals center. So when we save this, we will put those data at the center of my cell. The next thing that I want to discuss is about the width, the cell padding, cell spacing of our table. So let's focus here on my table tag here. So we already have border, BG color. Let's see with the width equals 50%. So let's see what will happen. So we are talking about the width of our table, and then followed by the cell padding. Cell padding equals, let's say, 4. Save. Refresh. So it gives some space. And how about cell spacing? So using cell spacing, this will set space or border around the cell equals 3. Let's save this. Save. Refresh. Okay. So you will notice that there's some space here. So what if, let's make it 5. See what will happen. Save. Refresh. See? Okay, now let's put this whole table at the center of our web page. So we can also put it here. Align equals center. Let's save. and refresh. So that's it for now. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.